in the middle of nowhere. You know, we got this fucking car right here. This is my car right here. This is the, it's on, I think it's a Maxima. I don't know. I just bought it. It's a Laurel? Laurel. I thought it was a Maxima.
These are sport wheels?
Yeah, they're the sport wheels. I think they came factory. It's like the sport edition one.
Turbo.
Alright, 200 on Front Street right now. 200 on Front Street.
My mansion sitting on 40 acres. Who the neighbors? Kobe Bryant from the Lakers. Now that's paper. Kobe Bryant from the Lakers. Now that's paper. Kobe Bryant from the Lakers. Now that's paper. My mansion sitting on 40 acres. Who the neighbors? Kobe Bryant from the Lakers. Now that's paper. Kobe Bryant from the Lakers. Now that's paper. Kobe Bryant from the Lakers. Now that's paper. Big cribs, lot of cars, enormous prices. I ain't gon' tell you what I spent, but my blood might get money, get pussy, smoking weed forever. Rub that money in my palms, cause it breathes better. Whole real estate came with a lot of zeros. Sold to a lot of people. Over 30 million sold, that's a lot of people. Now I got a big crib that fit a lot of people. My mansion sitting on 40 acres. Who the neighbors? Kobe Bryant from the Lakers. Now that's paper. Kobe Bryant from the Lakers. Now that's paper. Kobe Bryant from the Lakers. Now that's paper.
You know what the fuck it is right now? $40,000. Front Street, bitch. You know what the fuck going on? You know what we gonna blow this on right here? You know what the fuck we gonna blow? We're gonna blow this on. Fuck you, girls. You heard? Girls, bitches all day.
Now that's paper. Straight from the projects. Now I ride Maserati. The life of a mob, nigga. I think I'm John God. Bank statement proof. I buy what I choose. I take 40 racks and I throw it out and I'm cool. Got all these thirsty bitches think I'm gon' pay 'em. This dick you can, but money you get snagged. No need for wristbands, the owner know who I am. 10 bottles of rosé, 2 models on both hands. My mansion sitting on 40 acres. Who the neighbor? Kobe Bryant from the Lakers. Now that's paper. Kobe Bryant from the Lakers. Now that's paper. Kobe Bryant from the Lakers. Now that's paper. My mansion
This is a 2871R certified mixtape coming straight out of Shawana, Wisconsin. We got Big Tex and Lil Farmer on the track.
Big boost, big boost, big boost, big boost, baby.
We don't fuck around with no V8s, baby. It was a long haul, but a good haul. From the East Coast to the Mid Coast. Got to USA. I hit third gear. Hit the boost, turbo down like the damn car. So we load up the horn. Then my boy smashed his head into the bag. Take it away, young farmer. Pull the skirt stick. She licking on my dick. She said, wow, you can trip. I said, baby, that's just drag racing. Big power, big boots. She going sideways. I really